How to make Godaddy website password protected. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make your Godaddy page or your URL not exactly password protected, but we are going to make it private. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We are going to head over godaddy.com, sign in for an account, and we are going to head over the website and hosting, select from this menu website builder. Once we have did that, we're going to head over our products and we're going to find our websites. So the first thing that we are going to do is to select the website, and we're going to open up the website editor within the place here. So I'm going to choose one of the websites. For example, let's click on this one, and we are going to click on edit website. Basically, we can not do much right there. It is not going to be something that we can control from here. It is going to be fully, let's say, controlling the dashboard of the website. If you're going to head over the parameters or the settings, you're not going to find something useful here, but we are going to open up the website editor, which is going to be the main actor here. Once we have opened the website, as you can see, we're going to have the website as it is. Now, we're going to head over the page that we want to make private, or if you want to call it password protected, but it is not going to be the case in GoDaddy because they are not offering this option yet. Hopefully, they are going to propose it in the future. So we are going to click on the settings or the clock right there. Click on page settings. And normally we are going to find on the page, make it private or private page. In our case, it do not exist here, but if you're going to head over the settings from here, maybe it is going to let you set up the website not private but unpublished. So you're going to make it not visible anymore. So we are going to click on unpublish, and it is going to unpublish that website right away. Now I'm going to exit that website and let's choose on another website like this one. I'm going to open up another website. So we are going to see if we are going to have another page or other pages aside from the home page. We're going to click on edit. Here we have some pages, as you can see. So I can go ahead and show you the pages or the option that I have shown you, which is going to head over here, the settings of the page. We're going to head over the page settings. You're going to find that you're going to have, please excuse me for that, you are going to find that you have some more options like private page. So you're going to make this page private. You can go ahead and manage the access settings, and you're going to make it, for example, private. So we're going to have it like this. You're going to make it private, and it is not going to be a page that you're going to have it accessible for everybody. So here, as you can see, we can go ahead and set up the member accounts as they can go ahead and check up this page, or only sign in to check up these type of pages into your website. So that was pretty much it, as you can see, for the pages. You can go ahead and do that for all the pages. You're going to make them locked like this, and also for other pages aside from the home page that we do not have the option for it. It is going to be unfortunate, so we can go ahead and put it for the other pages that we have here. So I have made two pages private. They are not going to show them, basically you can go ahead and show them right there, but they are going to be saying that this page is private. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.